Hello and welcome to the show. This is Paul and Kathy for Freshwater Diver 1 with the Plus. Table 4. Thanks very much.
What's the name?
I've just passed it to Julie.
Well, guys, look at this. Okay, guys, we're off. Well, we're on the Tanfield Express. Having afternoon tea.
Come on this side. Come on this side, and there's another type on that side. I'll have one of them. That'll be at my two. You get your two.
Yeah. Check that out, guys.
Leave the rest on there.
One thing, I can't see me. Check out the view. Check out the view, guys.
It was found in York, being used as a garden association meeting room. So it was a little bit cloudy to say the least. And it came back into commission in 1999. So. No air conditioning.
No.
31 years ago. You're welcome.
Look, guys. Ow! Hot. Caldo. Oh, we're going to get it. Ah. Oh, perfect. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, watch this, guys. There you go. Oh. Right. Oops, going wobbly. Yeah, need some cold water. Put that on the top. Right. Look, we're getting posh. We're getting posh. Using the fork. Oh boy. Look at this, guys. Strawberries, cream. Hang on, some cold water first. Cheers. This is whiskey and lemonade. Oh boy, it's all ferns. Right, and the biscuits. The green grapes. Thinking of Joe Payne. Is that a Garibaldi biscuit? Is that a Garibaldi? Look at that one here. Oh, we're at Sunnyside. Hi everybody, so we just got to sunny somewhere and just had to change around the loco. So on the front of the train now, heading back the other way to the end of the line. Well, hope you're enjoying the trip. Got loads of coffee, endless amounts of coffee. I can't take any more. But on the water now. And I've still got lots of cake to eat. Okay, so there you go. That was quite, that was like a little lemon cake. Nice taste to it. Oh, there it is. So, I think this one's a fork job, guys. Oh, look at that, just oozing out. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Wow. The only thing about the sun is that I'm getting hot. Oh. Still got grapes. Oh, look, that's got a bit of cream on. A bit of cream on there.
That's where the water goes in.
Andrew's house. That's another cute station. Oh, it's getting quite a noisy carriage. Got one biscuit left. Got some water. Oh, looks like it picked up. No, there's no one picked up here. Can you tell we're in the trade? Thank you very much. I might get some milk down there, you know. Hell.
Oh, please, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, we're getting spoiled here. Look at this, guys. Thank you very much. Got a jockey.
Jockey bar.
Oh, you know me, I'd love an ice cream. I'd love an ice cream, but well, that's good, mint chocolate. Well, I seen his view last time on the way out. Look, I can drink milk. Yes, I can drink milk. Some people, oh, there's some cows down there, cattle. Some people are lactose intolerant, sadly. So you've got to watch out for that. But I'm okay. There you go.
We have tried to drink water when you're on the move.
I'll change the.
Finished with your teas, yeah?
No, thank you.
Finished with it?
No, not yet.
I'm still going.
I didn't know whether that was a no. Yeah, you can take it on.
Well, guys, looks like the film's about to run out. And I mean, the card is actually full. I've got about 3 minutes. So, thanks very much for watching. If you liked, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Give us a comment down below. What did you think of this train trip? Afternoon tea. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Helps get the channel out there on the YouTube algorithm. So thanks, guys. Till next time, bye. Okay, just a short supplementary couple of films, guys. This is Causey Arch. I've just stopped here to drop some people off, or maybe we've got some new people coming on. Okay guys, so we're just going down to Causey Arch. The railway line beside us on the left side. Hello. Hi. You're welcome. Oh yeah, see the viewpoint. That's the viewpoint there, guys. Is that the best we've got? Just heard the toot and we're off again. So I think the next stop is actually at the station, which should be in another couple of minutes. So I'll finish off my milk, finish off my water. I'll see you next time. Assume I don't do another little film clip. I don't know. Do you want another film clip? Yeah? Okay. I'll take a coffee off you there, the small coffee. Yeah, the little bag of coffee. Is it £5? Right, thank you.
You get quite a lot out of there.
Right. Thanks, Irene.
Thank you. We'll put that in the till.
Okay, thank you. Oh, the sweet. Yeah, great stuff here. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye. That's all around, isn't it?
Isn't it? East Tanfield. Yeah.
Yeah, Tanfield. Thank you. Thanks very much. Cheers. Oh, yeah. That's one to do again, that's for sure. That was one to do again. She lost half a film. She pressed the off button on the camera instead of the save record. I've got it on this one, so cheers. Okay guys, that's East Tanfield. That's where we got on, and this is where we're getting off. Your day ticket, you can go on the train as many times as you want. Today it was the same engine running all the time, the National Coal Board, the NCB 49. Well, assuming I'm still recording, I think I am. I'll have to ask your names, I'll get your names up on YouTube there.
Yeah. I'm Logan.
You're
Logan.
Logan, right, cheers Logan.
Anthony.
Anthony, yeah. Look at the state of you now. Hey. He's got to be the apprentice, isn't he?
Yeah,
He's the blackest.
I'm responsible for managing the boiler and making the steam, so shoving
Right.
the coal's my job.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
It's a tough job.
I thought I was sweating like you.
Yeah.
What's your position here
I'm
then?
driving.
You're driving.
I
Oh,
just drive in, make sure it's okay. He does everything else.
yeah,
How long
yeah.
does it take to train to be a driver?
I started here when I was 12,
Yeah.
Right,
and I'm 27 now.
So you kind of work up
So
to
yeah,
it,
you work up to it. A good
Yeah.
amount of years. I've only been driving for 2 years. I'm still the newest steam driver here.
wow.
But yeah, but it takes years and years and years. So they go. It's all experience because every day is different.
Yeah,
And then yeah, that all comes
Wow.
together.
It's a dream
Also,
job, isn't it?
yeah. Also, hours on maintaining it because if it goes wrong, you're gonna have to sort it out. That's how it works. There's no one else to help you, so you need to
yeah.
get it fixed to get it back.
Well, I've got to start. I was a mechanic.
Yeah.
Former mechanic.
Yeah.
That was on flashy engines like Jaguars and, you know. Yeah, a long time ago. No, I seen the engine sheds. Oh, I could have stayed in there all day and helped them out. Like, just love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks very much,
No
guys.
worries. No worries.
Okay. Well, these guys just telling us they're finishing at about 6 o'clock tonight. So they've had a long day, starting from early in the morning because you have to get the engines prepared and fired up. But as that guy was saying, yeah, he started here when age 12, worked his way up, and he's now a driver. He's been a driver for the last 2 years on the local there. That's a long apprenticeship, guys. Okay, bye for now. And again, thanks for watching. Doot doot. Away they go. Okay. Bye bye. Tanfield.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you